Hi everyone, Matthew Wallace, your buyer's advocate. We're here for part 2 of 2 today of our video series related to terms that are associated with taxation and investment properties. I'm joined again by my father, Matthew Wallace, who's actually been an accountant for over 30 years now. And Dad, you've had a lot of experience with this sort of thing, haven't you?
I have over the years.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So today's topic is capital gains tax. I'm sure you've heard it before, but do you actually know what it means? So can you tell us, Dad, what is capital gains tax?
So capital gains tax is a tax payable on the gain you make on the sale of an investment.
Okay.
Now, in this particular case, we're talking about property, just to
Sure.
note it down, but it's any investment.
Yeah, any investment, so shares or whatever someone
Yes.
else has invested in.
Yep.
Okay, great. And
And capital gains tax is a lot more favourable than income tax because if you apply in capital gains tax, then 50% of the gain
yes,
is exempt from tax.
right.
That's what the benefit of capital gains tax is versus normal income tax.
So you're only paying tax on half of the gain.
Yes.
Right, there you go. And so what is the actual gain made up of? What components?
So there's two components.
Yes.
So there's the sale proceeds, which are actually the net sale proceeds. So
Yeah.
it's not just the selling price, it's the selling price and the costs associated with it, and we'll come back to that, and the cost base.
Okay.
So in other words, how much do you receive and how much did it cost you? So that's, if you like, your gain or your profit, that's what's subject to capital gains tax.
Okay.
And half of that is tax exempt or tax free,
Yes.
and the other half you pay tax at your marginal rate of tax. So with your sale proceeds or your selling price,
Yes.
the net sale proceeds is your selling price,
Yes.
and you need to take into account your agent's commission if you've used an agent, your legal costs.
Yep.
You might have used a stylist to put furniture into the property. So all those costs come off to calculate your net selling price or your net sale proceeds.
Okay.
So if an example, a property sold for 600,000, those costs might be 40,000. So for capital gains tax calculation,
Yep.
560 is your net sale proceeds.
Right, okay. And then again, the tax is only on half of that 560.
Well, we've got to take off our cost base first.
Oh, cost base, what's that?
So our cost base is what we originally paid for it,
Okay, yes.
and then we would have also paid stamp duty,
Yes.
and we would have paid legal costs when we bought it. We may have paid a surveyor and some other associated costs with the purchase, so they're all included.
Mhm.
Then, whilst we've owned the property, we may have spent some money on capital improvements, so structural improvements, they get included.
Mhm.
And then we might have also claimed depreciation, and we might have claimed capital allowances, so they get taken off. So you've got to do your sums to work out
Yes.
what your cost base is. So
Okay.
it's all of those purchase costs, anything you've spent on the property, less what you've already claimed for tax during the process of depreciation and capital allowances.
Sure, because you can't double claim, can you?
You can't.
No. Okay, and just to clarify one final thing, capital gains tax is not applicable to your primary place of residence. It's not on your own home, it's only on investments.
It's only on investments, that's
Yeah,
right.
great.
So your primary residence or your private place of residence is exempt from capital gains tax.
Yes, okay. Now, I know that's quite a chunky topic to cover, capital gains tax, and tax in itself is never a very straightforward topic. So if you do have any questions, feel free to send me a direct message or comment below and we will answer them for you. Dad has a lot of knowledge, and if you don't know the answer, we will find out. I hope that this has been insightful and that you've learnt exactly what capital gains tax is. And thanks again, Dad, for joining me on this one.
No worries.
Thanks.